I'm pretty good at keeping track of what I have to do for the following day, for the following week, and I really like to visually see my to-do lists and all of that. I have a pretty good routine going of how I stay organized and how I plan everything out, so I decided to share it with you today. So above my desk, I have this beautiful rose gold grid that I got off of Amazon, and basically I bought these little lights at Walmart and stuck them on there. And then I have these like different colored whiteboard sheets, and basically these are great in terms of making to-do lists, and I make a bunch of different categories. So when I do this every either day or every week, I change it up depending on what I'm changing on the specific paper. So for my first sheet, I wrote down my YouTube ideas, so my covers, my baking videos, other videos that I want to do, all that good stuff. And then for my other sheet, I wrote down my upcoming events for the week. So I had an appointment, I had singing lessons, I had to go babysit, all that good stuff. And then I also wrote down my to-do list for tomorrow. Now the trick is, I don't know if you guys would be the same, but I like to make it as little check boxes because it bothers me if I don't check it off, so it'll be more motivating for me to finish that task. And then for the last one, it's kind of miscellaneous. This one always changes for me, but I had a few things I wanted to buy this week. And then I also saw a really nice quote, which says, "Your direction is more important than your speed," which I love. I saw this in a YouTube video the other day, and I really liked it. I feel like it's super important, and I just wanted to remember it, so I wrote it down. And then the good thing about this grid that I got off of Amazon, if I can find the link, I will put it down below, but it comes with these little clips so that I can clip it all on. By the way, the whiteboard paper things are from Daiso in Richmond. If you live in Vancouver, that's where you can get them, which is great. It's like $2 a piece. So yeah, I love these because they don't like get stained all black or anything, so it's really good quality, and it's actually a sticker, so if you want to use it for that, that would be cool too. So another thing I really like doing is using the Reminders app. Now I feel like nobody uses the Reminders app. I don't know, I could be wrong. Let me know if you do, but I love this app because it really keeps me in check. When I have a lot going on, it's obviously really easy to forget things. So I set up just like my appointment that I had, just to remind me an hour before I have to go. Even calling a friend, you know, just checking in on them, I feel like is super important. So I really like to set reminders for that. I talk to my friend Isabel all the time, and I know she watches my videos, so hi, I love you. And just other miscellaneous things for that day, I always like to set reminders for. So that is something that I recommend doing. I swear it'll change your life and you'll become less forgetful if you are. So another thing I love doing is to journal. I've kind of been slacking on this recently, if I'm being completely honest, but I really love to journal because I feel really refreshed, especially when I have sadder thoughts. Sadder's not a word, but when I have dark thoughts, I usually like to write things down, but sometimes I also like to avoid it because I feel like it validates the fact that I'm feeling that way, and it scares me. Anyways, whatever, we're going off topic, but I have a few different journals for different occasions. So I have a songwriting journal, I have my self-taught French binder because I'm teaching myself French, and I have things for my thoughts, I have one for my goals, I have one for my gratitude. I don't think I showed it all in this clip, but I really like to just take the time, and to have different notebooks for each topic is really important just because it helps you stay organized and you have everything in one place. You know, I don't want to be looking through my diary when I'm trying to write a song, things like that. So I really like doing this and I recommend it. I swear, writing things out totally helps, whether you're feeling sad or you're feeling motivated, everything. It feels so much better, and I definitely recommend doing that. And to make a habit out of this will be super beneficial for your mental health, your goals, your struggles, anything. I swear it really does make a huge difference. Alright, so for my last and quickest tip, it is to write your long-term to-do lists on a piece of paper neatly with a permanent marker and tape it on your wall. Things like developing habits and my requirements and paperwork for next year, things like that, I like to make it very visible and permanent on my wall. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a little bit different from my usual videos, but I hope you liked it. And my next video will be a Christmas cover, so I hope you enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.